Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad veg easy method. Start by choosing fresh, firm vegetables and rinsing them under cold running water. Trim stems and roots, then pat dry with a clean towel. Use a sharp knife to slice quickly and evenly to preserve texture. Keep delicate leaves chilled until assembly and handle ingredients minimally to keep them crisp and vibrant for the salad. In this segment, I will explain simple cutting techniques to make salad veg look and taste great. Learn how to slice, julienne, and dice to create consistent textures that mingle well in a bowl. A sharp knife and steady hand reduce cell damage, keeping vegetables firm and fresh. Practice basic cuts on one vegetable at a time, and you will build speed and confidence for every salad you make. In this break, I will explain a quick recommendation that actually helps with salad prep. Quick recommendation: pick up leak-proof containers that stack neatly and keep dressings separate to avoid soggy veg. They make meal prep easy and keep salads tasting fresh for lunches, and they clean up fast too. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this part, I will help you season and store salad veg for peak flavor and texture. Add salt and acid to brighten flavors, then toss lightly with dressings at the last moment. For make-ahead prep, layer vegetables in airtight containers separated by paper towel to absorb extra moisture. Chill containers promptly and re-crisp leafy greens with a brief ice water soak if needed before serving to restore snap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.